Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn and understand a very interesting topic from Maths Standard 4, that is multiplication. But before starting our today's topic, let us understand multiplication facts. Fact number 1. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product remains the same. For example, let us take any two numbers like 6 and 4. If we multiply 6 by 4, we get 24. And if we multiply 4 by 6, then also we get the product 24. So, this is the multiplication fact 1, which says that number can be multiplied in any order, their product remains the same. Fact number 2. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. For example, if we multiply 8 by 1, we get the product as 8. Similarly, if we multiply 34 by 1, we will get the product as 34 itself. So, it means whenever a number is multiplied by 1, the product will be the number itself. Now, let us see the last multiplication fact, fact number 3. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. For example, if we multiply 9 by 0, we will get the product as 0. In the same way, if we take any other number like 45, 65, 10 and multiply that number by 0, we will get the product as 0. So here 45 multiplied by 0 is equal to 45. So students, these are the 3 multiplication facts. Now multiply the following numbers. 34 by 2. So let us multiply 34 multiply by 2 is equal to 68. So children, here 34 is the multiplicand, 2 is the multiplier and 68 is the product. 8 dozen banana were bought to give to the children. 1 dozen bananas is 12 bananas. How many are 8 dozen? 8 डझन बनानाज मुलांना देण्यासाठी आणलेले आहेत. 8 डझन बनाना. 1 डझन बनानामध्ये किती बनानाज असतात? एका डझनमध्ये असतात 12 बनानाज. मग असे 8 डझनमध्ये किती बनानाज असतात ते आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागणार आहे? त्यासाठी आपल्याला मल्टिप्लिकेशन करावं लागणार आहे. मग आता आपण हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार आहोत ते एका वेगळ्या पद्धतीने. त्यालाच म्हणतात लॅटिस मेथड. सो लेट अस मल्टिप्लाय 12 by 8. To find out the product of this multiplication, here we have to write the expanded form of 12. So 12 means 10 plus 2. Now let us draw one grid. Yes. And now put a multiplication sign over here. Children, 12 multiply by 8. So 12 is the multiplicand. So we will write multiplicand in these boxes and here we will write multiplier. So let's write 10 and 2 and here we will write 8. मुलांनो 12 हा आपला मल्टिप्लिकंड आहे तर 8 हा मल्टिप्लायर आहे. तर या बॉक्सेसमध्ये आपल्याला 12चा एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म राईट करायचा आहे. 12 means 10 plus 2. So we will write 10 in this box and 2 in this box. Now 8 is the multiplier. So we will write 8 in this box. Now let us multiply 8 by 10. So 8 tens are 80. Now let us multiply 8 by 2. So 8 twos are 16. Now let us add these two numbers 80 and 16. So 80 plus 16. So let us add units place. 0 plus 6, 6. And tens place 8 plus 1, 9. So here our answer is 96. So 8 dozen banana means 96 bananas. Now students are standing in 15 rows for a drill. There are 37 students in each row. How many students are there altogether? Now children, there are 15 rows and each row has 37 students. Now here we have to find out how many students are there altogether. So to find out total number of students, we have to do multiplication. So 37 multiplied by 15. Let us find out the product using lattice method. For that, here we have to write the expanded form of 37 and 15. So 37 means 30 plus 7 and 15 means 10 plus 5. Now let us put multiplicand and multiplier in the boxes. So 37 means 30 and 7, 30 plus 7 and 15. 15 is the multiplier. So 15 means 10 plus 5. Now what we will do? We will multiply 10 by 30. So 10 multiplied by 30 is equal to 300. मुलांनो हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन आपण कसं करणार आहोत? 10 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 30. सो तुम्ही पाहिलात 10 मध्ये युनिट प्लेसवर 0 आहे, 30च्या सुद्धा युनिट प्लेसवर 0 आहे. सो मग आपण काय करणार? या 1ने या 3ला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. सो 1 3 जा 3 आणि त्यानंतर 10 मधील एक 0 आणि 30 मधील एक 0 हे दोन्ही 0 आपण 3 नंतर राईट करणार आहोत. सो 10 multiplied by 30 is equal to 300. Now let us multiply 10 and 7. So the product will be 70. Now let us multiply 5 and 30. So the answer will be 150. Now let us multiply 5 by 7. So 5 7s are 35. Now let us add these numbers. 300, 150, 70 and 35. So let us add unit place first. So 5, then tens place. 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 15. So we will write 5 in the tens place and 1 will go in the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is 555. So the final answer is there are 555 children in all on the field. Multiply the following numbers. 34 multiplied by 2. So children, here 34 means 30 plus 4. So let us write multiplication sign in this grid over here and write 30 and 4 because 34 is the multiplicand and 34 means 30 plus 4. Now let us write multiplier, that is 2. Now let us multiply 2 by 30. So here 2 3s are 6. So we will write 6 and then we will put 1 0. So 2 30s are 60. Now let us multiply 2 by 4. So 2 4s are 8. Now we will add 60 and 8. So 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. So final answer 34 multiplied by 2 is equal to 68. Now let us take one more example, that is 75 multiplied by 11. So 75 means 70 plus 5 and 11 means 10 plus 1. Now let us draw one grid to write multiplicand and multiplier. So here 75 is the multiplicand and 75 means 70 plus 5 and 11 is the multiplier. That means 10 plus 1. Now we will multiply 10 by 70. So children, how we will multiply 10 by 70? Yes, first we will multiply 1 by 7. Then we will put 1 0 from this 10 and then again we will put 1 0 from this 70. So the answer will be 700. Now let us multiply 10 by 5. So the answer is 50. Now let us multiply 1 by 70. So 1 by 70 is equal to 70. Now 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. Now what we will do? We will add these numbers. 700 plus 70 plus 50 plus 5. So the answer will be 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 1 is carrying over and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So the final answer is 75 multiplied by 11 is equal to 825. Now multiplying a 3-digit number. Multiplying whole hundreds by a 1-digit number. So 4 multiplied by 100. 100 means 1h, right? So 4 multiplied by 1h. So 4 multiplied by 1h is equal to 4h. And 4h means 400. Now 400 multiplied by 2. So 400 means 4h multiplied by 2. So 4h multiplied by 2 means 2 4s are 8. So 8h and 8h means 800. Rupees 300 were to be collected from each student for a picnic. 4 students paid on the first day. What was the total amount collected on that day? पिकनिकसाठी प्रत्येक मुलाकडून 300 रुपीज घ्यायचे आहेत. पहिल्या दिवशी 4 स्टुडंट्सने 300 रुपीज पे केले. मग एकूण पहिल्या दिवशी किती रुपीज कलेक्ट झाले? So, to find out the total amount collected on that day, on that first day, what we will do? We will take 300 4 times. Rupees 300 4 times घ्यावे लागणार आहेत. मग त्यासाठी आपल्याला 300ला 4ने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागणार आहे. So, 300 multiplied by 4. 300 means 3h multiplied by 4. So, 3 multiplied by 4. So 3 4s are 12. So 12h and 12h means 1200. That is 1200. हेच आपण वेगळ्या पद्धतीने सुद्धा करू शकतो. काय करायचं आहे? 3 आणि 4 या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं आहे. सो 3 4s are 12. मग 12 राईट करणार आणि मग इथे 300च्या इथे 2 zeros आहेत. सो 2 zeros आपल्याला 12 नंतरनं राईट करायचे आहेत. सो 1 and 2. सो द फायनल आन्सर इज 1200. If 40 students pay rupees 300 each, what is the total amount of fees collected? 40 students आहेत, प्रत्येकाने 300 रुपीज फी कलेक्ट केलेली आहे. सो टोटल किती फीज कलेक्ट झालेली आहे ते आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. मग त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागणार आहे? 300 40 टाइम्स घ्यावे लागणार. मग 300 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 40. सो 300 मीन्स 3h म्हणून 3h मल्टिप्लाय बाय 40. सो 3 4s are 12 आणि हा 1 0. सो 120h. 120h means 12,000. h म्हणजेच 2 zeros 100 म्हणून 120 नंतर 2 zeros दिलेले आहेत. म्हणून आन्सर आहे 12,000. हेच आपण वेगळ्या पद्धतीने कसं करणार आहोत? 3 आणि 4 यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. सो ते येणार 12 आणि 300चे 2 झिरोज 12 नंतर आणि 40मधील 1 झिरो त्यानंतर. मग असं आन्सर आहे 12,000. नाव कॅरी आउट द फॉलोइंग मल्टिप्लिकेशन्स. 4h multiplied by 5. सो 5 4s are 20 आणि h म्हणजे 2 zeros. सो 20 नंतर 2 zeros, that is 2000. Now 20 multiplied by 3h. So 3 2s are 6, right? आणि या 20 मधील 1 झिरो आपण राईट करणार 6 नंतर आणि h म्हणजेच 2 zeros. सो 2 zeros, that is 6,000. Now 40 multiplied by 500. So 4 5s are 20, 40 मधील 1 झिरो आणि 500 मधील 2 zeros. So 40 multiplied by 500 is equal to 20,000. Now 800 multiply by 60. So let us multiply 8 by 6. So 8 6 are 48. Now we will put 2 zeros from this 800 and 1 zero from this 60. So 800 multiplied by 60 is equal to 48,000. Now let us multiply 35 by 200. Children, look carefully. Here we don't have any zero in 35. So to carry out this multiplication, what we will do? We will multiply this 2 by 5. So 2 5s are 10. So we will write 0 over here and 1 will go as a carryover. Now let us multiply 2 by this 3. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now let us put these 2 zeros from 200. So 1 and 2. So what is the answer? 7,000. मुलांनो, तुम्ही हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन व्हर्टिकली सुद्धा करू शकता. सो 35 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 200. 2 झिरोज माइंडमध्ये ठेवायचे आहेत, ते आपण नंतर यूज करूयात. सो 35 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2. सो 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So 35 multiplied by 2 is equal to 70. So आपला क्वेश्चन काय आहे? 35 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 200. आपण 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलेला आहे. 2 झिरोज तसेच आहेत. मग आपण काय करणार आहोत? 70 नंतर 2 झिरोज लिहिणार आहोत. सो फायनल आन्सर काय असणार आहे मग? 7,000. नाव क्वेश्चन 6. डॅश मल्टिप्लाय बाय 70 इज इक्वल टू 7,000. मग आता इथे काय आन्सर असणार आहे? 70 मधील 70 आन्सरमध्ये तसंच आहे आणि 2 झिरोज. मग 2 झिरोज म्हणजेच 100. सो 100 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 70 इज इक्वल टू 7,000. नाव 7h multiply by 2. So 2 7s are 40 and h means 2 zeros, that is 1,400. Now 20 multiply by 300. So 2 3s are 6, 1 zero from this 20 and 2 zeros from this 300. So final answer is 6,000. Now 600 multiply by 30. So 3 6s are 12, 2 zeros from 600 and 1 zero from 30. So 600 multiplied by 30 is equal to 12,000. Now 900 multiply by 20. So 9 2s are 18 and 2 zeros from 900 and 1 zero from 20. 600 multiply by 42. Let's do this multiplication vertically. So 42 multiplied by 600. Now let us keep these two zeros in our mind and multiply 42 by 6. So 42 multiplied by 6. 6 twos are 12. So we will write 2 in the units place. 1 will go in the tens place. Now 6 fours are 24 and 1 25. So 42 multiplied by 6 is equal to 252. But our question is 42 multiplied by 600. मग 600 चे 2 zeros आपण 252 च्या नंतर राईट करणार आहोत. सो फायनल आन्सर इज 25,200. So 600 multiplied by 42 is equal to 25,200. Now 15 multiplied by dash is equal to 30,000. So children, tell me 15 च्या टेबलमध्ये 30 कोणत्या प्लेसवर येतो? 30,000. सो 30 कोणत्या प्लेसवर येतो? सेकंड प्लेसवर. सो वी विल राईट 2 ओव्हर हिअर. 30 नंतर किती झिरोज आहेत 30,000ला? 3 झिरोज. सो 2 नंतर 3 झिरोज आपण देणार आहोत. सो 15 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 2000 is equal to 30,000. Children, I hope you have enjoyed this video and now you have understood multiplication facts and multiplication using lattice method. Now in the next upcoming video we will learn and understand multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.